Take the screenshot of these problems from 16 to 30. Okay, then I will do one by one. Look at number 16. Here tan inverse root x plus root a by 1 minus x a root over. Don't apply the formula tan inverse box. It will be very critical for you. Just apply the formula. They write this root x into the question. It is written x root over. Write this root x into root a. Then it becomes what? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. It is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, means tan inverse root a plus tan inverse root a. Then you can do it easily. Tan inverse box 1 by 1 plus box square into d by dx box. Here a is constant, so its derivative 0 and the result is this. In question number 20, I have mistakenly written d by dx, but it is d by dt. Look at that. D by dx sin inverse this 2x by 1 plus x square. So you should not put it x is equal to tan theta, because it has one direct formula. You should remember and write on the examination hall. So it is 2 tan inverse x and its derivative is 2 will go outside, tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. So no necessity to put d is equal to tan theta. Similarly for this, there is no necessity to put d is equal to tan theta. Directly it is the formula 2 tan inverse t and the result is 2 into 1 by 1 plus t square. Similarly this is directly the formula 2 cos inverse t, so its derivative is 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus t square. Now question number 22, it's changed from the question which I have given earlier. Now look at question number, now I am doing 18, 19 onwards. Okay, 18, 19. I have done already 17, 20, 21. One format there. So 18, 19. Look at first 22. Then I will do. First look at this. The question 22, it is mistakenly written as x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. So I have changed it first. Then I have done already 17, 20, 21. After this I will do 22, 18, 19. Because 17, 20, 21 are in one format. Okay. Now look at number 22. It is x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So make it cos inverse. X square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Take common. It is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And you know cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse this. And pi minus cos inverse means, and it is the formula of what? It is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Now put pi derivative 0, 2, and tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Finally minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Look at this problem. Put here x is equal to cot theta. You can also put x is equal to tan theta. Afterwards I will tell it. X is equal to cot theta. Then it becomes a square plus a square cot square theta root over by a cot theta. Take common a square. 1 plus cot square theta root over by a cot theta. It is a square cosec square theta whole root over by a cot theta. It is a cosec theta by a cot theta. A cancel. It becomes 1 by sin theta cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta cancel. It becomes 1 by cos theta, which is sec theta. Sec inverse sec theta is theta. And theta is what? Cot theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to what? Cot inverse x by a. After that, what will be the answer? Derivative of cot inverse x by a. Now it is y is equal to ultimately cot inverse x by a. After that dy by dx, and you know it is what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square by a square into d by dx of x by a. It is what? It becomes what? It is, if you multiply a square in numerator denominator, don't take LCM. It is quite nonsense. A square plus x square into derivative of x by a is 1 by a. Okay, don't apply du by v rule. It is just a constant. Okay, take it outside, d by dx 1. So the result is what? Minus a by x square plus a square. If you will put x is equal to tan theta, you can also find what I am doing there. If we will put x is equal to a tan theta, I am telling the, if you will put x equal to a tan theta, there will be no problem. How? Sec inverse, it will become sec inverse a square plus a square tan square theta. Its root over is a sec theta, because 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So ultimately it will be a sec theta by a tan theta. Afterward 1 by cos, sin by cos, it will become cosec theta. If it is sec inverse cosec theta, then don't bother on it, because we know the formula sec inverse Bakso is pi by 2 minus sec inverse Bakso is, a slight change is there, mistakenly I have done. We know sec inverse box plus cosec inverse box is equal to pi by 2. So what is sec inverse box? Sec inverse box is pi by 2 minus what? Cosec inverse box. Look at here. Sec inverse box is equal to pi by 2 minus cosec inverse box. Box means what? Cosec theta. Cosec inverse cosec theta is theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta? Tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to x by a. What is theta? Theta is what? Tan inverse x by a. And then you can differentiate it. Okay. Look at the problem number 19. Okay. I am what doing? Put t is equal to sec theta, it becomes sec square theta minus 1 root over, that is tan theta, and it becomes sec square theta, and put tan theta, put sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta, convert sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, sin inverse sin 2 theta is 2 theta, and y is equal to 2, what is theta? Theta is, look at here, theta is equal to what? Sec inverse t, and 2 sec inverse t. So if y is equal to 2 sec inverse t, then dy by dt is equal to 2, and derivative of sec inverse t is mod t into t square minus 1 root over. Otherwise one can also do this problem in a different style, and it is the very important thing in future for your mind power. I am doing it what? 2 t square. I am doing it 1 by t into t square minus 1 root over by t. It becomes 2 into 1 by 2 into. Now I am putting this t inside the bracket, it becomes t square minus 1 by t square. Then it becomes 2 into 1 by t. This divide, it becomes 1. Divide this, it becomes what? 1 minus t whole square. And we have a formula. Sin inverse 2 jitna into 1 minus utna square is sin inverse 2 sin inverse x. It is 2 sin inverse 1 by t. If it is 2 sin inverse 1 by t, answer will be 2 cosec inverse t. And you know the formula of cosec inverse t is what? Minus 1 by mod t into t square minus 1. Now look at, if you will tell, sir, it has one answer. Now this answer differs from it. This question and this question, answer varies just for negative sign. No mark will deduce for your council, for your board examination. Both are correct and answers are this and this. Okay. I am doing the problems in very shortcut method. Remember how I am doing. Divide this. Don't apply first tan inverse box. It is very long. Just divide this numerator denominator by cos x. It becomes 1. It becomes tan x. 1 plus tan x. Many students doing this. Looking this one, they are writing tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x, then applying formula tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. Don't go on that side. You have already a formula, that is tan inverse a minus b by 1 plus a into b. Just apply the formula tan inverse a minus tan inverse b, and it becomes pi by 4, it becomes x, derivative is minus 1. Very easy. That's it. That's why its name is pleasant mathematics. क्रिकेट मैच में जो स्पिनर है वो सबसे चालाक होता है। कैसे वो बॉल डालता है? पहले एक लेग स्पिन डाल दिया, दूसरा ऑफ स्पिन, तीसरा ऑफ ब्रेक, तो चौथा ने क्या किया, स्ट्रेट बॉल डाल दिया। फिर उसका बाद लेग ब्रेक, ऑफ ब्रेक और गुगली ऐसे डालकर बीच में क्या करता है, स्ट्रेट बॉल डाल देता है। तो बैट्समैन कंफ्यूज हो जाता है। क्या होता है, वो समझता है क्या आ गया मेरे पास, वो समझते समझते आउट हो जाता है। इसी तरह ये प्रॉब्लम सब टेक्निक प्रॉब्लम था। ये बॉल क्या था, स्ट्रेट बॉल था। स्ट्रेट बॉल मीन्स यू कैनॉट पुट एनीथिंग हियर, that is you have to put u by b formula, that is the straight way, b divided u minus u divided b by b square, then you come to this point, you can do this. Okay, I am doing number 25 in different style. You can verify in other books also. Tan inverse cos x by 1 plus sin x. You have a formula, that is sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is tan theta by 2, and the explanation is sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2, cancel, it becomes tan theta by 2. So whatever you take the angle here, it is what, tan that angle by 2, and here just it is cos x, but here sin theta, it is 1 plus sin theta, here it is 1 plus cos theta. So in the different tricky style, what I am doing here, I make this cos x as sin pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and this sin x is cos pi by 2 minus x. Now the format is what, sin box by 1 plus cos box is what, tan box by 2. Box means what, pi by 2 minus x. This by 2 means pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 is pi by 4 minus x by 2, and the result is minus x minus half. If you will tell, sir, how can I remember this? If you will not remember this, it will take 10 lines. Okay. Now look at number 26. It is tan inverse 7x by a square minus 12x square. Just divide a square in numerator and denominator. So it becomes 7x by a 1 minus 12x square by a square. Now look at this point. You should do as the product of two such things whose sum is 7. Product is 12. So it is 3 and 4. So write this 3x by a plus 4x by a, 1 minus 3x by a into 4x by a. Now it becomes tan inverse. Now tan inverse 3x by a plus tan inverse 4x by a. Its derivative is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 3x by a whole square into derivative of 3x by a, that is 3 by a, 1 plus 4x by a whole square into derivative of 4x by a, that is what, 4 by a. Now after that, derivative of you should this is 9x square by a square into derivative of 3x by a, it is 3 by a, and this is that. And you should not take LCM. Multiply a square numerator denominator. This becomes, you cancel a here also in that side. It is 3a by 9x square plus a square plus 4a by 16x square plus a square. Okay. Look at number 27. Now it is a x square cos inverse this plus x square cosec inverse this. Look at here, root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Here root x plus 1 by root x minus 1. Some similarities is there. So convert this to sin in. Take first x square common. So it becomes this. And convert this to sin inverse. It becomes root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. When cos inverse jitna plus sin inverse utna, result ho jayega pi by 2. And you can differentiate it very easily. That is pi by 2 into 2x. That is pi x. Okay. Now in this problem, put x is equal to sin theta, because 1 minus sin square theta or 1 minus cos square theta will give you result. 1 minus tan square theta will not give you result, or 1 minus sec square theta will not also give you result. So putting x is equal to sin theta, it becomes sin theta by 1 plus 1 minus sin square theta root over, that is cos square theta root over, it is cos theta. And look at here, it has one formula I have already taught you before, and it is suppose sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. and it is 2 cos square theta by 2. After dividing, it becomes tan theta by 2. So y is equal to tan theta by 2 means half theta. What is theta? Sin x is equal to sin theta, then theta is what? Sin inverse x. So it is half sin inverse x, and its differentiation is half into 1 by 1 minus x square or root over. Now look at this problem number 29. I have told you previously that what is the role of a spinner. पहले गुगली डालता है, उसका बाद लेग स्पिन, ऑफ स्पिन, फिर स्ट्रेट बॉल. ये ऐसा एक स्ट्रेट बॉल है, स्ट्रेट डेरिवेटिव मीन्स tan इनवर्स जितना, इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 by 1 plus this much square into d by dx of this much, and you have to do this you multiply 1 minus x cos alpha square numerator and denominator. Directly you can do 1 minus cos alpha square, you multiply here. If you multiply here, it becomes 1 minus x cos alpha square plus x sin alpha square, and apply the formula u by v. And you should remember x is the only variable here, alpha is constant. This is the trick of this problem. So v derivative of u, v derivative x sin alpha का derivative कितना होगा? Sin alpha बाहर चले जाएगा, x का derivative 1 minus u means x sin alpha, derivative of this derivative 1 0, derivative x cos alpha, it is cos alpha will go out, derivative x is what? 1. That's why this problem is coming in your exam repeatedly. So you multiply just and 1 minus x cos alpha whole square. You cancel this and this. Okay, I am saving here 2 lines. Okay, not taking LCM, just multiply this in numerator and denominator, which will save you 2 lines. After that you just expand it, and after expansion, when you will expand, write minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you will write here, it will take another line. Just keep minus 2 cos x minus 2x cos alpha plus x square cos alpha. Then make a friend with this. It becomes x square cos square alpha, x square sin square alpha. Make one both. Okay, make one bracket. It becomes x square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. It is x square. Then simplify it. Okay. Now look at number 30. Here you can put x square is equal to cos 2 theta, but it will more lengthy than this if you will put x square is equal to sin 2 theta. Look here, 1 plus sin 2 theta. It is 1 in place of 1, it is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and sin 2 theta 2 sin theta cos theta, it becomes cos theta plus sin theta whole square. And if we will take the root over, it will become cos theta plus sin theta, and it is now 1 minus sin 2 theta is cos theta minus sin theta. When you subtract cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta, becomes tan theta, it is 2 tan theta, and the denominator becomes, if you add, it becomes 2 cos theta, it becomes 2 sin theta, it becomes 2 cos theta, result is tan theta, and becomes theta. And what is 2 theta? It is sin inverse x square. What is theta? It is half sin inverse x square. Now you can differentiate, 1 by 2 remains in place, 1 by 1 minus x fourth into derivative of x square 2x. Now after that 2 cancel, x by 1 minus x fourth root over. Okay.